Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen curry noodles. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 package of instant ramen, but set aside its seasoning packet. Also, prepare 1 cup of your preferred broth, either chicken or vegetable. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of Japanese curry roux, along with 1/4 of an onion and 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. Now, let's cook the ramen noodles. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a small saucepan. Once boiling, add your ramen noodles and cook them for about 2 minutes, or until they are just tender. It's important not to overcook them. After cooking, drain the noodles completely and set them aside while you prepare the delicious curry sauce. Next, we'll create the rich curry sauce. In the same saucepan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and sauté your chopped onion and garlic until fragrant. Pour in 1 cup of broth and bring it to a gentle simmer. Then, stir in the 2 tablespoons of Japanese curry roux until it's fully dissolved. Let the sauce simmer for about 3 minutes, allowing it to thicken beautifully. Finally, it's time to combine everything and serve. Add your cooked ramen noodles directly into the simmering curry sauce. Gently toss the noodles, ensuring they are thoroughly coated with the rich, flavorful curry. You can garnish with your favorite toppings, such as sliced green onions or a soft-boiled egg. Serve your delicious ramen curry noodles immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.